Alright guys, welcome back. So I got two things that I need to open today because I'm about to go to work and I don't have too much time to maybe do more things, but I got tuna, no crust, that goes behind your license plate. And then I've been wanting this for the longest. I never had opportunity to get one, and I finally got an opportunity, so I got that. So I'm gonna put it right here. And I got something else right here. Got another box. Oh, it's from Perrin. This is what I needed for my car to. I think I got a big boost leak, and I'm gonna show you guys where it's coming from. Oh, that's funny. It came with another license plate thing for the tag, and it looks cool. That's cool, but I'm gonna use my tuna no crust because I've been wanting that the most. It comes with clamps, and this goes on a turbo inlet itself. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. This is it right here. So they wrapped it really nice. You see, you got the Perrin logo. And what's going on with this car right now? Like right here, where the turbo inlet goes into here, and it's really bad on the old one. Right here is really bad, and they got a lot of vacuum leaks going on. So all these little rubber pieces is go all the way on these holes right here. That's what that's for. And so that's what I got in the license plate cover. So right now I'm gonna show you what I was talking about. So this is the old one right here. On it where I was telling you guys where right here is bad. So I gotta take this old one off, and it's not easy. So I had to put this one on, and you already know it's gonna match everything else because everything is red so far. That's what I wanna do. That's gonna be on the video real soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. Went to the tag office earlier this morning, got me a tag, and like I said, my tag cover came in today. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put it on. Looks amazing. I love it. I like the blue with the white because I had this temporary tag, and when I saw it, I was like, yeah, I gotta keep that white. So I had to go with the old style license plate over here for Georgia. They got a new style and the old. This is the old style, so I love that one. This one is no longer needed. So now I'm going to show you guys a little bit of cinematic so you guys can see it real clear. So there you have it, guys. So I had to put the license plate and the license plate cover. I got the turbo inlet hose for the next video, so don't forget that. Let me know what you guys think about the red, because I think I'm going with red accent everywhere because the car's blue and it goes together, I think. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I had to make it real quick. Make sure you guys be updated to the video. This car sounds amazing. I can't wait to show you guys going up the road, do rolling shots, revving up, all that good stuff. I can't wait for that. So thank you for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.